Okay, last part of this lesson. We're going to do one more example of a washer. So in this problem, example number 4, we want to rotate this image. We're going to start around the x-axis. So we've got a big R and we've got a little r. So that tells us right away that we've got this washer thing. So we're going to have pi from -1 to 2 of big R squared minus little r squared. Now, before we go about doing that, I do want you to visualize this because this kind of makes a pretty cool shape. So we take this shape here, this parabola. Here's my parabola shape right there. And I'm going to rotate it around the x-axis. And it makes this shape here, which is pretty cool, I think. And to help you see it a little better, I can move this yellow piece. So there you go. Kind of visualize what this is looking like. Looks like a really weird looking funnel thing. Anyway, so there we go. Kind of cool shape. I want you to use what we've been talking about so far and practice setting this up on your own. So pause the video, fill in your big R and your little r, and then come back to check and see how you did. Welcome back. If I think of this in terms of top minus bottom, then I get this equation, x plus 2 minus this axis, which is 0. So x plus 2 minus 0 is just x plus 2. My little r is the x squared minus the axis 0. So x squared minus 0 is just x squared. So there we go. Last one. We are now going to rotate this around the line y equals 4. And this is going to create a very different image because now that is our big R and this is our little r, big radius and little radius. So this one you're going to have to think top minus bottom a little more. So I am going to start by doing the same thing. We're going to go to that GeoGebra application to help you visualize this because I think it looks pretty cool. So let's go over here. We're going to change this to y equals 4. Change where we're rotating it from. So we've got this y equals 4 line that I'm now rotating this shape around. And now I've got almost like a bowl looking shape. Looks kind of cool. Let's take our yellow line through it so we can see it. Yeah, so it kind of looks like a bowl. It's kind of cool. Anyway, so there's your visualization. Last problem, pause the video, try to fill this one out on your own, and then come back to see how you did. Okay, here you go. Top minus bottom on each of them. The top is the line y equals 4 right there. For big R, the bottom is our x squared, so 4 minus x squared. And for little r, we have our top, which is 4, minus this line, which is our x plus 2. Okay, there you go. You should be good to go on your assignment now. Good luck.